of battery energizers. A couple of different types here. We're going to install this little one here to the fence now. Again, like all electric fence energizers, read the instructions first, please. Not sure what you're doing, definitely read the instructions. This is actually a 15k model, so that's actually 15k of fence. Okay, quick and simple here. You got slots on the top of this energizer here. Quick and simple. That's why I've actually took 2 posts there to hold it. Okay, we have, like the mains energizer, a red and a black, and a red and a green lead. Of course, red and the green are for our earth and live terminals on the bottom here. So we'll do one at a time. Nice red one. Take the terminal off to actually slide the ring on. Possible. This one, of course, is on live, so it goes to our tape, like so. Again, the green one, repeat. Like that. And this one actually goes to our earth stake, which I've actually pushed into the ground here. You really should bang that down as far as it'll go into the ground, of course, and you can actually clip it onto there. There actually is a nut and bolt there if you'd like to nut and bolt it. That's fine there, nice and strong. Okay, and all we need now is to connect our battery up. Bolt battery system, of course. Positive and negative to go to our car battery. We actually have a plug to go in the bottom here. As soon as you plug it in, connect to your car battery, it's live straight away. Always remember though, any electric fences, just so people know what's going on, put a warning sign up.